Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Today I'm going to share with you another Bengali fish recipe, that is BHAPA BHETKI, because we Bengalis just love fish. So basically BHAPA BHETKI is bhetki fish steamed in mustard gravy or mustard paste. So without further saying, let's jump into the recipe. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video whenever I'll come online. So here for making this BHAPA BHETKI recipe, obviously we need bhetki fish. Here I have taken 4 pieces of bhetki fish. To that I am adding half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then juice of half of a lemon, and I am going to marinate this with it. So here I have taken a medium to small bhetki fish and coat this with turmeric, salt and lemon juice. Lemon juice will reduce, there is a smell in present in bhetki fish that will be decreased by the lemon juice. Now I'm going to keep it like this, marinate it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, here in a pan I've taken 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Make it nice and hot, and I'm going to fry the fishes here. Add the marinated fish one by one. This step is optional because generally people just use the raw fish for making any BHAPA fish, but I don't like the smell of raw fish. That's why I like to fry the fish just a little bit, especially in case of bhetki fish. So it's quite done. Over high flame I have cooked them for 2 minutes on each side, not more than that. In the same pan now I'm going to fry up some onions. Here I have taken 1 small onion and sliced it, and I'm going to fry it for 4-5 minutes on medium flame. This step is also optional. People generally do not use onion, but I don't like the smell of pungent smell of bhetki fish. That's why I'm using onion. You can skip it or use it. I recommend you to use it. This will give it a very nice taste and texture. Now it's done. So here, take the fried fish. To that I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of black mustard seed paste. Whenever you make paste of mustard seed, make sure you add some salt and a green chili so that it does not taste bitter. Next add turmeric, half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of salt. Next green chilies, slitted 3 green chilies, and now add the fried onion. And I'm going to add some grated coconut as well. Here I have taken 1.5 tablespoons of grated coconut, then 2 tablespoons of raw mustard oil. This will give it a very nice smell. Now I'm going to coat each and every fish with this marinade or ingredients. Bhetki fish is very soft and delicate, so make sure you do it very gently, light-handedly. Now into a tiffin box or a steel box that has cover, I'm going to place this fish and pour all the marinade over it, and add just a little bit of water, 3 to 4 tablespoons. That is basically I'm using the same water in which I have mixed the mustard. Next here I have taken a pressure cooker and filled it 1/3. Let it come to boil. Now place a ring mold and place the tiffin box over it. Then place the lid in with the lid and steam it for 10 minutes on medium flame, and don't place the whistle. We don't need to place the whistle. So after 10 minutes we are back, and as you can see, they are done, quite done. Just a few minutes. For that, here I've added 1 tablespoon of raw mustard oil. This will give it a very nice smell, and I'm going to give it a 5 minutes of standing time. That means my gas is off. I've turned off the gas, just covering up so that it absorbs the smell of mustard oil. Now again, after 5 minutes we're back, and look at this, and the smell I'm having right now in the kitchen, I can't tell you. Serve it with some hot steamed rice and enjoy this recipe with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.